Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Ylarn again, and you are watching on my channel. Okay, ngayon naman pag-uusapan natin about sa food which is related pa rin sa aking Baguio trip. Actually guys, meron kaming pinuntahan na restaurant or kainan. Ang isa dyan is yung 50 diners along military cut-off road. And then, yung isa naman is, if I'm not mistaken, Chuck Cuisine at saka Vizcos. Along Session Road lang siya. So ito, una naming pinuntahan yung 50 diners. Super worth it yung pera nyo guys. Because you know, for about 150 or 125, kasi ako I ordered chicken and beef something ganon. Tapos 150 lang siya, I think 145 actually, pero yung plating sobrang dami, sobrang dami siya at mabubusog ka. Tapos may side dish pa siya. Very worth it. So I recommend this food establishment sa mga pupunta or nagbabalak na umakyat ng Baguio soon or later. Try nyo dalawin yung 50 diners along Military Cut-Off Road. Tapos yung isa naman guys, before kami mag-check out sa Mega Tower Residences, kumain kami sa Vizcos or Chuck Cuisine. So doon naman, which they caters cakes. I think yun yung specialty nila, cakes. At saka, meron din silang platters, rice platters. So ngayon, ang in-order ko doon is chicken fillet with sauce, with Bercy sauce, I think. Oo. Super. I love it. I love the chicken fillet. It's so delicious. It's really melting in your tongue actually. Super worth it yung pera mo. And what I love the most is the strawberry cake. Super delicious. I love their cakes. Most especially, you know, yung toppings niya, the strawberry itself on the cake, super dami. Not unlike pag sa Manila ka, siguro yung toppings lang ng strawberry, kaya para lang masabi na strawberry flavor siya is meron siyang 1 or 2 strawberries on top. Pero yung kinain namin sa Vizcos, super, you know, parang napuno. That's the right word. Napuno siya ng strawberry sa taas niya. Super sarap. Tapos, ang trinay din namin is yung mango cake nila. Masarap din siya. I think yung strawberry cake nila per slice, 110 pesos. But it's super worth it. Yeah, masarap siya. And then their mango cakes as well is about 90 pesos. You know guys, living here in Baguio for almost 3 days na. Parang mafe-feel mo yung kaibahan when you are living in Manila or Metro Manila compared dito sa provinces or sa mga probinsya. Sobrang mura dito actually. Pati yung lalong-lalo sa food, sa pagkain, mura lang. Kasi siguro they are producing it. Let's say, mga gulay. So, silang mismo nagproproduce. So, siguro, yun yung dahilan kung bakit mura din. So, guys, hanggang dito muna. Okay? Dito muna. And I hope you will enjoy this video.